It's chai time. I love chai, especially ginger tea and namkeen, which is a perfect pair, right? Undoubtedly. I'm in love with Chinese food, especially chicken chow mein with tomato sauce, chili sauce, and chili vinegar, which is so chatpata. I like eating bhetki fish fry along with tomato sauce, chili sauce, and a Bengali style sauce known as kashundi.